Masi kame ba recruit. Akaya pa furu. Odogu. Makamele. Na hekene me. Ẹ ga si bala ba. Ọmọ náà ó lọ bọ̀ ẹ bá sẹ́yìn bọ̀ ẹ lọ́kọ̀ náà yọ̀ ọ́ ní la baga aga pela fo ah na wow kalam bi apa be What time of more for the why get you a quality glass? Nam ọbụ akaba kwụwa glass. Na onye ya ama mbọ.
Amara ebe tụrụ n'aka na
Ebe ma sekọnd ebe ma sekọnd ebe ọ chọrọ narị abọtọ. Onye nke
ọtụkwa ebe tụrụ n'aka
mbọ onye road safety ọ bụrụ tout ọ bụrụ ndị dị agboro na-aga bịa ọ ga-afụ nke a bifasụ ụzọ abịago m here live onye bụ the victim. These are the two innocent victims. Ụmụazị na-agbalị onwe mbọ. Look at their hands.
all the way from Damaturu return
ụmụazị Igbo nyalụ moto from Damaturu nyagide wee ruo here. Ọ bụrụzi ahịa ka a ga-anụ wee. Ọ bụrụ na ụmụazị a na-ezu ori ma ọ na-eme ife ndị ọkwa sị na adịghị. These people bụ ndị road safety course with this thing, they will not go stop it. They just think I enwetara justice and they must pay for this glass. I said it. We shall not allow government officials to become nuisance. Why can't you see a lot of government here? A lot of people not represent time. People are just suffering and dying without nobody speaking up for them. The water go. This madness must stop. Go to the entire world and say it. Hello, my viewers. It is me, Asuzu Chinedu Peters. I was at the office in Oka here, and I got a tip of that Federal Road Safety has finally constituted a very disturbing nuisance here in Oka, here in Kwata. I'm just climbing the flyover. If you can see right there, everywhere is totally blocked. The entire road is totally locked down. Look at it. You see, even some people are making an announcement that if you are coming through this way, going to Onitsha, you have to find another exit or another route. Look at it. The entire place is totally locked down. Then you ask me, what actually happened? The Federal Road Safety guy I heard and what I saw here is that they stopped a truck and one thing led to the other. They started vandalizing the vehicle. I mean, not thugs, not arborous, but Federal Road Safety workers. Now look at the people here. Look at the people here. And this is the truck we are talking about right behind me here. That's the truck that we're talking about. And let me go to the front so you can see it very well. You know why I'm making this video? This place is an animal kingdom where public servants are public nuisance. Now look at this. Look at the bus that was vandalized, not by thugs or Aburu, but by Federal Road Safety. People that are supposed to constitute safety on our roads are now becoming danger to our roads. Now look at it. And I heard that the federal government is trying to get them to start using guns to add to the crusade of killing innocent Nigerians. If they can, without any ammunition, start unleashing this kind of mayhem on innocent travelers or road users, I wonder what they will do when they have arms. Now look at what is happening here. The entire city is locked down because of just this singular act. That is it. That's the boss there. Totally vandalized. You can see the people. You can see the crowd. You can see the federal road safety. You can see the police and the civil defense that they are using. You can see all that. So I'm bringing this to your notice because it has to come to an end. All this nonsense has to come to an end. You see that? You see that? So bad. You see that? Everywhere, these are people that are supposed to be going to their normal businesses. They are all trapped down here. Look at Trump. Pass from here to Aroma. Look at it. You see? Road safety now constituting nuisance in the road. You see that?
They say because of 500 naira, they break somebody's whiskey.
You can imagine, just because of 500 naira. This is so unfortunate. This can only happen in an animal jungle. This is not even not Obiano. This is happening everywhere in this country, where innocent people are being brutalized, being treated like they are nobody because there is no government. There is no government. That is why government officials can do anything and go away with it. Just look at it. People are just helpless in this hopeless society that we find ourselves in, not because of a failed government. You can imagine what will happen if they give these people guns. You can imagine. Too bad. So I'm bringing this to your notice. Keep sharing until start a campaign to end whatever plan they want to do to give road safety people gun. They should not have even knockouts because these guys are crazy. We've had enough of the police killings in Nigeria and other force officials that are recklessly killing innocent people. Don't add to the numbers by giving these road safety people what you call gun, because you don't hand over guns to animals. That is what I'm saying. Look at the entire road is totally locked down. People that are going about their businesses, they can't go nowhere. So I'm bringing it to you as a short. I'm just sitting in my office in Oka here, and I was hinted on this, so I decided to come out to see things for myself and to also to bring it to your notice. So keep sharing this video until these guys are brought to book. Honestly, they shouldn't get away with this. Yes, I am the one saying it. They shouldn't get away with this. People that are behind this madness should not be found anywhere close to government work. The psychiatric hospital near her uniform. Too bad, my people. Too bad, yeah? Let me cut it off from here. Don't forget, we are bringing you some of this in a dramatic form on Bearwood. Bearwood, that is our entertainment industry. Not just entertainment, but an inspirational production that is going to put our aspiration as a people in a dramatic form so that the world can hear us. Keep subscribing. Go to BVI Entertainment Channel and subscribe. Also on BVI Channel 1 and subscribe there and keep getting updates like you never uncensored. That is how we bring it to you. Goodbye.